Benchwarmer fans, Tony here for another Benchwarmer Vault bots break. Haven't done one in a while. So you all know what's in it. 7 hits, 2012 Benchwarmer. So let's see if we get lucky and get some, score some Sarah Underwood or something. Alright, and there's some factory sealed bots in here. I've done quite a few. If you look at my YouTube channel, you'll see I've done a lot. Alright, so our bots, our factory sealed bots is 2005 Benchwarmer. Oops. So there it is. There's the factory sealed bots. And our special pack. Let's see what we get. Alright. Let's bring the promo card. Oh, we got a signed promo card. Jennifer Johnson. Very cool. Signed promo card. This is 8 out of 75. Very hot. I've actually never seen this card. Next we got Cecile Gar. We got one of these Halloween cards. I like these Halloween cards. But we already hit this one. Miriam Gonzalez. And we got a Kiss card. It's not autograph. Kiss card of Michelle Thorpe. Okay. We got a Sid Wilder. Happy Easter 2012. Pretty cool card. And we got another Jennifer Johnson. This is Bubblegum Collection. And our last autograph is Jen Sibley. This is from World Cup 2006, I believe. So pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube.